Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a new chat on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. In the chat section, tap on the pencil icon from the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down through your contacts to find the user you want to chat with. Once you locate them, tap on their name. You can now type your message in the message box at the bottom of the screen. Once you are ready, press the send button to start the chat. And this is how you can start a new chat on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.